Hey, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Joshua here at saltyscales.com. Today, we're actually going to go into Bass Pro Shop. A popular question that you guys have had is, can I put together a beginner's box for certain species of fish? Well, today I'm going to do that for the Pompano. And I got a special little shopper with me today. Say hello.
Hello.
She's going to help me pick out some great lures, guys. But what's cool is I'm going to give this box away to one lucky participant. All you got to do is subscribe, hit that like video above, and also comment below that you've done so, and one of you guys are going to win this box. Let's get to it. We're going to go shopping. Alright guys, so we're going to first start off with soft plastics. You know where I'm going. I'm going to the goat. Let's go. Let's do it. What do Pompano eat? They eat sand fleas. You guys saw me do a video where I cut off my shrimp, my gulp shrimp, and made it in a small segment. And the reason I do that is because it looks like a sand flea. What do you think, baby? Is that the right one? Is that the right one? She approves. Oh, she wants to hold it. Well, thank you. We're looking. Oh, here's some Pompano lures. These are great Pompano jigs, guys. No, you don't need those. Or is that what you're picking for the Pompano? You like those? You picking those? Okay. Alright guys, here's the Buccaneers Wigglers. Absolutely one of the most popular lures you could get. Also aka the Docks jig. You hear me talk about them all the time. Let's get a couple of these. Yes, baby. And you'll also notice right next to the Docks jigs is usually the teasers. I'll go ahead and purchase some, but I highly recommend you make them. You saw my video on how to do that, so make sure you're utilizing that. What you got there, baby? Oh my God, she wants you to catch 20-pound Pompano, guys. I don't think we can use that one, baby. That's a little too big for Pompanos, though. It's too big. All right, put it in there. All right, so we got some teasers. $2.29 for 2 teasers, guys. Absolutely ludicrous. Don't pay $2.29 for 2 teasers. There's probably 20 cents worth of equipment here, especially if they're buying the hooks in bulk. But I'm gonna throw it in there for you guys' box. So guys, these right here are called crappie jigs. They're super inexpensive, but they're a great alternative to catch Pompano. The only problem is they rust out really quick. So let's go ahead and get some of these. Pink and white, always very, very productive. All right guys, so let's go ahead and get you a little clear box to put some of your new Pompano lures in. There's a lot of options, guys. You've seen me get this one. It's a double stack box, really nice little box. But most people usually go with something, a plain old 3700. It's got the nice little latches on it. Araya, look, do you like this? And I think this will be an effective box, you know, just to grab quickly. Say, this when you're going pompano fishing, guys, all you need is one little box and one little spinning reel, and you're off to the races. She likes it. She approves. All right, so guys, I want to get you an assortment of different lures, because mainly where you're going to be fishing or targeting these pompano are from jetties, bridges, and the surf. Now, the only thing else that I could think of that I need to throw in that box is those kale hooks with the little floats, so you can use sand fleas in the surf. That's a great little rig to use, and what it does is that when you use your sinker rig, the float helps keep it right off the sand, so it's very noticeable. She's serenading you guys. What? Oh, she wants to touch the wild animals? Alright guys, so here's the little float rigs I was just telling you about. Got the little floats on them, little bead, little hook. You anchor these down with a nice, usually like a triangle sinker, and rig them up with sand fleas for the surf, and they're ready to go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed today's episode of our little shopping experience for new pompano jigs. Again, to participate, comment below, like the video, and of course, share and be subscribed. Until next time, guys, we'll see you on the water.